Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to get a private server in Steal A Brainrot Roblox without Robux. So first is first you have to log in to your Roblox here and then look for the game. Okay, so basically we're going to play Steal A Brainrot. You just have to click the game and then tap on the play button right here. Or you could also scroll down and then look for create a server. But as you can see, in order for you to create one, you need to spend this amount of Robux right here. So how are we going to get a private server and steal a brain rot Roblox without Robux? What you're going to do is you have to scroll down and then go to other servers. You have to click this and change this to ascending. You will see here servers with one member, and what you're going to do is you have to join someone else server for free. So as a friend who's already subscribed to invite you to their private server and look for active invite links shared by players on community website guides or fan hubs. This sometimes allow free access. So if you don't want to spend a Robux, and if you want to get the private server and steal a brain rot Roblox, you just have to simply follow this method. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.